in my dreams, baby. It hit me like a freight train to the chest.